Bendigo Aerodrome, airfield lighting on.
Alright. Okay, you can make the taxi call and then I'll do the centre call.
Okay, good. Bendigo traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, taxiing for runway 17 for an overhead departure to Moorabbin, Bendigo.
Bendigo Aerodrome, right-hand circuits on runway 35.
Cessna Bravo Sierra Victor VFR 172 taxis Bendigo runway 17 for Moorabbin, request code.
Bravo Sierra Victor, stand by. Bravo Sierra Victor, squawk 035.
What's it? 0345 for Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, 0357.
0357 at Bravo Sierra Victor.
Okay, I'll do that.
Beautiful. Very good. Alright. Okay, so strobes are on. Good. Instrument switches, transponder will be auto. And yoke's free, correct? Okay, and we're off. And you can make a rolling call.
Bendigo traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor, rolling runway 18 for an overhead departure to Moorabbin, Bendigo.
Away we go.
Speed's alive. All temperatures and pressures are in the green. 50, 55, 60, and up we go.
Velocity 697, contact centre 133.195.
Just confirm it's 13395, velocity 697.
Confirmed.
Good.
What are we aiming for here?
We want to be departing overhead at 4,000.
Okay.
That's our LS alt, which should work pretty well on this one. You can see the runway down there. Yep. And then we just keep climbing out.
Melbourne Centre, Bravo Sierra Victor, 15 miles to the north-northwest of Kyneton, maintaining 7,500 for Moorabbin, request clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, you are identified, and if you'd like to contact the patches 118.9 for clearance.
118.9, Bravo Sierra Victor.
I'll set that for you. There you go.
Melbourne departures, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, 14 miles to the north-northwest of Kyneton, maintaining 7,500 for Moorabbin, request clearance.
Bravo Sierra Victor, departures cleared to Moorabbin via Melbourne, 7,500, Melbourne QNH 1026.
Cleared Moorabbin via Melbourne, 7,500 and 1026, Bravo Sierra Victor. I want to see some big aircraft action.
Well, there's one on the ILS now, so keep an eye on this final approach path, which is going to come all the way down here.
Yep.
And on those sequencing high intensity runway lighting coming in there. You should see some jets. A jet. Okay, there's one out there. Have a look to the left. You can see its strobes just there.
Yes, behind us.
Yep, so he's on the ILS.
Bravo Sierra Victor, when ready, descend to 6,000. Further descent will be southeast of Melbourne.
Descend to 6,000, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Beautiful.
Okay, so
yes.
Out. 7319, it's massage.
Down, 1, 2, 5. Beautiful, and the other altitude selector.
sorry.
Other altitude selector, yeah.
Runway 16.
Runway 16, and can we cancel start speed, just up 529?
Just up 529, cancel speed restriction.
Cancel start speed, just up 529.
Alright, we're approaching our waypoint.
We are.
And our next heading is from the flight plan.
mode, so it's going to do it for us.
It will.
135.
That's our track, yep, and our heading was 107.
137, yep.
Cessna 529, descend to 4,000.
Turn left to 135 in 1 second.
Beautiful.
And it does.
I'll show you something cool. Okay, how do I do this? Cool. So you can set an altitude constraint at a particular waypoint, and then it'll calculate a top of descent position for you.
Yeah, okay.
Which is pretty nifty, I think. But obviously we can't do it unless we got clearance. But
yep.
We've still got another 14 miles to run, so plenty of room.
Yep. So my best guess where Moorabbin is the first dark patch we come to.
That would be my best guess too.
Can you read back what I should have said on that response?
Yep, so cleared to leave control area descending, frequency change approved, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Okay, so we should get the ATIS at Moorabbin now.
Yep, it's just going to be a whiz because it's out of tower hours, but we can have a listen to see what it's doing.
AWS aerodrome weather, wind 160 degrees magnetic 4 knots, QNH 1026 hectopascals. Temperature 7. Cloud clear below 2,000 feet. Visibility 10 kilometers. Dew point 4. Humidity 78%. Rainfall last 10 minutes nil.
Okay, we'll set that heading back to 17. Yep. Okay, 3 miles to run. And transponder can go back to 1200.
G'day, Jets 569 descending 9000, received Oscar.
Hey, 2100, all the way down. 157.
567 approach, g'day, runway 27, descend to 6000.
Runway 27, 6,000, Jets 567.
Approaching your level off altitude 2100.
Melbourne approach, good morning, Jets 714 descending to 9000, received Oscar.
And start slowing the plane down as well, so that when we do initiate a descent, it's nice steep descent.
Warren.
Runway 27, Jets 714.
Make sure you're maintaining 2100.
I can see the runway.
Yep. Join us up on a final for it.
4 miles.
Jetstar 714, descend to 5000.
5,000, Jetstar 714.
Excellent. Yep. Start turning and start descending very shortly. Alrighty, we can start to descend a little bit early. We know we've passed the critical obstruction, which is the city, so just stay descent here. And you can make a 3 mile straight in approach call.
Moorabbin traffic, Bravo Sierra Victor 3 miles to the north at 1800 for a straight in approach, runway 17 left. Moorabbin.
Crossline super departures, going to identify.
Whack that one off. Okay, slow it down and get your flaps out, otherwise we'll end up too high. Make sure mixture's back to full rich, brakes undercarriage, mixture fuel, oil, hatch analysis.
All about that stuff. Final stage.
Good. Okay, 1.5 miles, 800 feet, looking good. This is pretty much a normal profile from here, so just maintaining 65.
Landing lights on.
Yep. Nicely done. Okay, 350, half a mile to run, looking good.
Still high here.
This will work out real well. Good, just keep it flying down. So you see that threshold come under? Yep. Awesome. Alright, now to idle up straight and level. Keep coming up. Good. A bit more, bit more.
Yeah, I'll get it eventually. The night I did my circuits, I did greases all night.
Yeah.
Had wet runways so I could see them.
Of course, yeah. That's